haven't seen you for a while, have
No.
we? Apologies for the lack of vlogs. 1, weather. 2, we've been so busy. And we've managed to get out today, which we're really chuffed about.
We have.
And we have travelled to, would you say it's a forest?
Yeah.
A little bit of a forest.
Heath.
To try and see some crossbills. It's tipped it down for the last couple of days. We've got loads of puddles about.
We have.
And we're hoping they're going to come and drink from the puddles.
Yep.
And we'll see.
It's only about a 10-minute walk from the car, isn't it? So it's not too bad. So we'll speak to you again when we're at our spot. Lots of puddles.
That's what we want, actually, isn't it?
That is what we want. Because they like the puddles.
We are going for big lenses. We're going to be using the roll mats. And we're focusing on them landing. It's raining at the moment. I'm coming to have a drink from this puddle here is the plan. And they land on this tree here. And then when the coast is clear, go down and have a drink at the puddle. And they come from all the pine trees that are all the way down there. I have heard some. They're in a large flock, about 35 to 45 of them. But we need to set up, because if we don't, they're never going to turn up because we're too noisy. So I'm going to switch off for the moment. It's been an hour, Richard?
Yes.
It's been about an hour now that we've been sitting patiently waiting for the crossbills. I get a bit despondent.
Well, we've been here about an hour. The weather has got better.
Over an hour now.
Over an hour. The sun has come out, but still no crossbills. So I think we may give it another 20 minutes or so. If we don't get anything today, then Gemma is going to put some images up. Some that she took last year from the same place, exactly the same place as we are today. We'll just have to see how it goes, but as it stands at the minute, it's not looking promising. But that's how it goes.
Don't know why we're smiling. They didn't come.
No, they didn't.
But as Rich just said to me, we've got to be in it to win it. So this will be to be continued.
Yep.
Over the next month or two, we'll be back and we will get the shots that we want. Yeah?
We will. Yep.
Okay.
But we'll leave you with some pictures that Gem took.
Yeah, I don't know. They're parrot crossbills.
Oh, okay.
But
we'll leave you with some pictures of crossbills
of some kind. So there you go, and it's just the way it is.
Yep.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Gutted, something. Bye.
Bye.
Didn't leave the vlog about the crossbills without actually seeing them, so I'm back. Instead of the big lenses, I have brought my Nikon D500 5.6, so I can go a bit more light, fairly light, walkable, and my binoculars. I don't know what they are. Celestian. Nature ones. 10 by 42. And my Tamron 2.8 200, because if the crossbills aren't going to come to us, then I'm going to go and find them. So I'm off now. Only gone and done it. I found them. Found the crossbills. Got a tiny bit of video footage. I'm going to try and get slightly closer to see if I can get a shot. The puddle has dried up, so my reflective pool-like shot is out of the window. I may show you one from last year, but again, I don't think they're the crossbills. I think they're the parrot crossbills. So it's a bit irrelevant on this occasion, but I've done it. I've provided video footage of them. You can hear them actually. You can hear them. So here I am. Hold on. How do I flip? Boop, boop, boop. There. I've set up. You can't see the screen, I don't think. I've set up here, videoing them right. They're right at the top of these two trees. Well, summer. There's loads. They're fleeting from all these trees over here. And they do come down. Oh, there's a massive little flock of them just swooping in. Oh, there's got to be over 40, 50 of them. So now that I've got you some a little bit of video footage, I hope it's not too shaky, I am now going to use my bins and get a little bit closer and see if I can get a shot. It won't be the shot I'm after unless I can locate a puddle and lay down near it and wait incognito. I've lost them. I can't find them at all now. Still without a photo. The cheaping's gone. Hello, I've given up now. I'm back in the car. I didn't get a photograph, just some video footage, but I'm glad I got some video footage so you can see what I was looking at. It's now raining. Decided that enough's enough. I've been out about 5 hours, so calling it done. So I'm glad I got some footage to show you, and this is the end of the vlog. So I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now. See you later.
Are we going to be alone though, Gemma?
Are we going to be alone?
Hello.
You sound like you're dying or whispering.
This is my best David Attenborough impression. Today, we have come to see the crossbill, a native species of the UK. Breeds in the Scottish Highlands, Norfolk, the Forest of Dean, and the New Forest.
Big fuck off lenses.